Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am doing a whipped ganache. I baked up some cupcakes and wanted something sweet to go on top of it. So let's get started. And getting right into it, I am throwing in all my chocolate chips into a bowl along with my heavy whipping cream. I'm going to put this in the microwave for about a minute to a minute 30 seconds. Making sure I don't burn my chocolate. I'm keeping with a consistent stir until everything is nice and mixed well together. So as you can see, it's starting to take its shape. It's getting really nice and smooth, and then I'm going to add in my vanilla. As you can see, it's starting to come together nicely. I'm going to set it aside or put it in the fridge for it to cool down completely. And this is what it looks like. And again, I'm going to just set this aside or put it in the fridge. Make sure it's cooled down completely before I start whipping it up. Okay, so as you can tell, it's a lot thicker now. And it's not as runny as what it was before. Now you can wait until it's a little bit more solidified, but I'm just going to go ahead and throw this into my mixer. And then I'm also going to add my powdered sugar to this. And it's not what you guys think. It's not as sweet as it looks. Your kids will absolutely love this frosting. And I'm just going to set it on high until everything is all mixed together. And this is what it looks like so far. I'm going to continue whipping it up. And as you can see, it's gotten a lot thicker. It's nice and smooth. And this is what I am going to pipe onto my cupcakes. Today I'm using a Wilton 6B tip for my frosting. And this is what my cupcake looks like, you guys. Hopefully you guys give it a try. If you guys do, let me know. My kids love this. Again, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Thanks so much.